Hey ladies, welcome back to another wig install. Today's wig is from Nadula Hair Amazon. This is their Bye Bye Knots Glueless Lace Closure wig. The color is a black cherry and they are considered this one to be pretty layered. You could kind of tell it has a little bit of layers in it. Now I think I have this particular wig in 18 inches if I'm not wrong. This wig is 100% human hair and they're saying that it is 180% density. In my personal opinion, it does feel very thin. It could be due to the texture. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what it's saying on the Amazon link. Now this lace does come pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached with the invisible knots, all that good stuff, and they are considering this wig to be beginner friendly and no glue needed. Now I will not be adding any type of glue, but I will be going in with my lace melting spray because it kind of just helps to keep the wig secure if it's not fitting all the way perfect, and it also helps the lace to melt even better. So this is something that I prefer. If you do not want to use spray, you do not have to. The wig is designed so that you don't have to use any product to lay it down, but like I always tell you guys, it really depends on how the wig looks on you. I feel like the brands do their best to try to make sure that, you know, one wig will fit for everybody, but that's not realistic. So I like to tell you guys, just keep some lace melting spray on hand just in case. So I can already tell that I'm gonna have to add some baby hairs on this wig, and that's due to where the lace stops versus my natural edges. And then this is also a black cherry color, so we don't want things looking out of place, so I will be adding some baby hairs. Due to that reason, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with the middle part. Now it is a 7x5 lace closure, you guys. I've promoted 7x5 lace closures on this channel multiple times, so you guys should know by now that yes, you can do a side part, all right, but I'm sticking with the middle part. So I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb. I also used my flat iron to touch up some of the hair. I added some more foundation on the lace, and you guys know I just basically did what I normally do in every single wig tutorial, so I didn't do anything different here. I just kept the styling to a minimum due to how the wig was fitting and looking on me. But as always, if you guys are curious as to what products I use and of course the direct link to this wig, please make sure you check out my description box. Everything is listed there. And we are all finished with this wig tutorial 1, 2, 3, you guys. It's not hard at all. Again, you could kind of see the layers that they added in the front for you. Now, quality wise, the hair was pretty soft. It was very flowy, as you can see. No issues with smell, tangling, or shedding. All right, so make sure you guys go ahead and check this wig out for yourself. The color is beautiful. I hope you liked it. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time.